Gemini. Setelah itu klik yang paling atas ya. Nah setelah itu akan muncul layar seperti ini. Setelah itu klik template, nanti kata-katanya bakalan aku share ya di caption. Kalian tulis aja seperti ini, lalu tambahkan foto yang mau kalian edit. Nah
Gemini, as you can see, this is trending on TikTok.
Love this man.
You can just head to the Gemini applications, whether it's on your mobile or on your computer. Okay, so open Gemini. Okay, so in here on the prompt box in here, or the text box, you can just use this prompt. So this is the prompt that I use to make the elevator photo. Edit the photo so that he's standing casually inside a modern elevator with reflective metal walls, and he's wearing an all black outfit, an oversized blazer and trousers, while holding a takeaway cup, and the style is elegant and edgy. And now you can just add or upload the photo as a reference. You can click on this button and tap on gallery or file, and then choose the photo that you want to edit. For example, I'm going to add this photos in here. And if the objects on the photo is a she, you can just change the objects in here. So let's just click on this to generate the photo. And now you can just wait until the photo show up. So Gemini will generating the image in seconds. Okay, so now the result is done, and this is it. As you guys can see, the photo is pretty accurate with the prompt that I give in here. And if you scroll in the bottom here, you can see you can modify it. For example, you want to make the blazer more fitted and the trousers slightly cropped, or you want to add subtle neon lighting to the elevator walls, or change the angle to a low angle shot looking up. For example, I'm going to change the angle. You can just click on the options in here. And again, you can just wait for the result. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.